friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications on my new videos. Hi friends, good morning. So today I am going to talk about how to make your toddler talk. Like, I am not any expert. I am whatever I am talking today, I am talking from my personal experience. I have a 2-year-old kid. He was not talking till exactly when he turned 2. Till that time he was not talking a single word, he was not speaking a single word. So it was getting very difficult for us. We were getting many questions, and as you all know, the doctors also, they get very much concerned about this. So I want to share some of my personal tips which I learned from my experience. I want to share with you all how to make your toddler or 2-year-old kid talk. So what I did, we were staying in an apartment when my son turned 2. So actually there was not much chance for him to go out or interact with other kids. So what I used to heard about others, that talk with him more and more, as much as you can, but sometimes it's also like it's not possible to talk with him every time and to make him speak a word. It was also getting too much difficult for me. I was putting my 100% effort, but it was not turning out to be like he was not capable of saying words. So as soon as he turned 2, he was having almost 5 to 10 words. But within 1 month, he almost started saying like 1000 words. We don't usually speak in English. We used to speak in our mother tongue. But he started speaking in English. He learned everything from TV. You may consider it bad. Watching TV is bad, but you have to use it properly. Like 15 minutes, 20 minutes in a day is not at all bad. I recommend, if you don't give your kid TV, then it's fine, it's good. But you have to put that much effort to him so that the TV is not needed. But like in my case, whatever my son learned, he learned mostly from TV. So what I did, I used some tricks to make him talk. That is, when I give him TV, I just let him watch the TV for sometimes like 15 minutes or something. Then I mute the TV so that he can see the pictures and he can say. That's how he started speaking. So as soon as I mute the TV, he will say that words, he will try to say that words. Initially he was not able to, but within 5-10 days he progressed tremendously. With that trick, my neighbor suggested me to give him nuts. So what I started doing, I started mixing up all the nuts. You can see here, this is pumpkin seed, almond, and cashew nuts, and all the nuts I mix it together. This is walnut and sunflower seeds. So I took every nuts. You have to take every nut 100 grams. I took all the nuts available in the store. Baby is a good boy. My baby. Okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Baby. You want to eat this? Do you want to eat this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you tell me the date of it?
So I used to dry roast it and make it powder when he was not able to chew anything. Then I used to give it in his breakfast. Giving the nuts in breakfast is the best time to give babies nuts. So you can start it from almost 1.5 years. And don't give too many toys to your kid, but you have to give some toys, especially some interactive toys, like some cutting vegetables that you can cut with them and play with them. That was my first toy, like my son's first toy. So it like made him too much interactive. He started cutting the vegetables and telling the names. So it was a good investment, I'll say. The next thing, you have to buy lots of books. I have so many books, and he don't get stick to one book. He always try to get a new book and start reading it. So like that, he almost in 4 and 5 months he started grabbing all the words. You can take out any book, he can read it, he can say the words. Like this, my son Leo, he started talking. Now I think he is not a good talker, like he will come to you and talk with you, but his vocab is like very vast. Even he knows more than me. He knows all the words that we get confused sometimes. So let me conclude this video. I want to keep it very simple and short so that there will be no confusion. So I have made 5 points. The number 1 point is nut mix. That is, you can take any nuts. Don't mind the box in which I was keeping the nuts that I got from a store, but you can buy any nut from any store, but it should be a good quality one. Just dry roast it for 5 to 10 minutes, then grind it properly and mix it in their breakfast. You can even give them almond to chew and eat, but if your child is big enough to chew it properly and eat it, otherwise it may lead to choke hazard, which I will say you to stay away from it. Then turn the devil box into game changer. You can anytime you can use your tricks and tips to make this devil box, the TV, to change the life of your kid and your life. It will make your life easy, and it may do some work that we cannot do. Like my son, when I mute the TV, he started speaking. So that's how I use the TV. You can use it your own way. You can try my tip. So next is interactive toys. You should buy more and more interactive toys. Like there are some toys which will make pizza, and if your child is interested in cooking, he can take interest in it. They will put some sauce, they will put some seasoning. So like this also, you can have a good interactive play with your kid. You can buy vegetable cutting toys, which my child enjoys a lot, so you can cut with them, you can play with them. Or some other toys, you can write me in the comments if you have any other idea or you have any other toy. And lots of books. So in the sense, lot of book. If your child is small, like he is around 2-year-old, then the first book, first 1000 words, first 100 words are the best books. I will not say you to, I will not recommend you to buy books with big sentences and all. They will get confused. So first 1000 words, first 100 words, they are the best books. Just start teaching them phonics. Start with the phonics. And my 5th point is start with phonics, which I want to discuss it now. Like if you start with phonics, you can note which word your child is able to say, like which sound your child is able to produce and which sound your child is not able to produce. Like for A, they will say for B, they will say ba ba ba. For C, like ka ka ka, sa sa sa, like that. But children, those who are a bit shy, if they are not able to say anything, they don't say, they just stop. They stay calm, they stay quiet, they stop talking. So you have to notice, you have to mark which sound your child is not able to pronounce, so that you can teach him again and again. You can put some other tricks to teach him that. You can use the word in different ways, use the sound in different ways. So like my kid Leo, he was not able to pronounce R. So for rabbit, he was saying pabbit. So for like pen, he was saying some other thing. Like this, he was not able to pronounce R. So my husband's name is Arvinda, so he was saying like Amabinda. So like this, I started giving more emphasis on his R pronunciation. So it took some time, like 1 month, and he started getting that word. So he started saying word from R. So like this, we improved. So I think today's vlog you are able to understand. Where you are not able to understand or you have any questions or doubt, just ping me, just write me in the comments. I will try to clear it. I will try to make it clear. And okay, so I think I should stop the video here because it's getting lengthy. And just comment me if you have any questions. Just let me know in the comment box if you want any new videos regarding any other thing. I'm going to upload some videos on please don't mind this fly. I think it's come from outside. It's our pet, I think, pet fly. If you have any concern regarding your kids diet, kids hair, kids massage, or anything like this, you can just write me in the comments. I just want to tell you few things. Like my son, he is like very much immune to all this cold, fever, and all these things. Touched. From the beginning, from the day he was born, I used some homemade oil to give him massage, which I'm trying to upload the video, but I'm not getting time because once I make the oil, I use it for like 1-2 months. So I already have enough stock with me, so I'm not able to upload it. But believe me, it is so effective. My son never got any like common cold or fever or anything like that. Touched. He should not get in future too. Then one more thing, I don't have even the concern of constipation or loose motion or anything like that. No problem with his motion. Maybe because I'm giving him too much vegetables, green vegetables. That also I will try to upload the videos of his diet. I will take a time to upload his videos. One more thing is his head massage, which was also effective in his speaking process, to increase his speaking process. So I will also try to upload that thing. So it may take next few days. I may take next few days to come up with all the videos. So till then, keep watching my videos, and write me in the comments if you have any concern, any questions, any queries. And again, I am repeating the same thing. I am not any expert, or I am not a doctor or anything, any healthcare expert or anything. I am just a mama. I am a housewife. I just make videos from my personal experience. Whatever I'm telling here is from my personal experience, because I have a 2-year-old kid and I went through all these things. That's why I'm sharing with you guys this video. Okay, bye bye.